Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I will explain how to use track motion. Let's begin. Let's start. After Effects has a function called tracking. Tracking allows you to analyze the movement of objects and combine other clips matching the movement. There are two methods of analysis: track motion that analyzes two-dimensional movements, and track camera that analyzes three-dimensional movements. Here, we will use track motion to analyze 2D movements. Place the video file on the timeline. We will analyze the movement of red shoes. The higher the contrast of an object, the more accurate the analysis is. Next, we will create a figure that follows the movement of the red shoes. Place the hand-pointing layer that follows the movement like this. We will adjust the position layer so you can temporarily place it in the approximate range. The timeline panel will look like this. The hand-pointing layer is placed above the video layer. This is the tracker panel. Select the video layer you want to analyze and click Track Motion. Then, when the layer panel opens, track point will be displayed, so drag it to the object you want to follow. Track point has double squares. The inner square is the range of follow-up objects and the outer square is the range of search. The wider the range of the outer square is, the longer the analysis takes. Now we will proceed to analyze it. In the timeline panel, drag the playhead to the frame position where you want to start the analysis. In the tracker panel, press this button to start the analysis. In the layer panel, you can see that the track point follows the movement of the object. Analysis completed. A figure that follows the movement is called a target. We will go to specify the target. Click Edit Target on the tracker panel. In the layer, choose hand-pointing layer and press the OK button. When you click Apply, the target will follow the movement of the object. In Apply Dimensions, select X and Y and click OK. Then, the target can follow the horizontal or vertical movement. In the Timeline panel, open the transform properties of the figure you specified as the target. As you can see, there are keyframes set in the position property like this. Finally, adjust the position of the hand-pointing layer. Please remember to select all keyframes before adjusting the position. Play the preview in the composition panel to see the result. This is the end of the lecture on how to use track motion. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.